Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to block any private number for every incoming calls on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you're following this video channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the special bell for more useful tutorial like this. So that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, make sure you go to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store right here. Having opened up your Play Store, click on search, then come to search app and make sure you type in Truecaller. Click on that, then take you right here. Make sure you download this particular app right here. Truecaller ID and block. Click on that. And then once you click on it, make sure you download it and install it on your Android phone. After a successful download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. So it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on block right here. So now the blocking is take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on scroll down right here where you have hide number. Block any number that is shown as unknown or private. Click on this toggle button right here. So once you turn on this particular toggle button right here, it simply means that nobody will be able to call you with private number or hidden number. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to block any private number for incoming calls or your line without any stress. I hope you really got fun for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the special bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you